got a question for you guys. Which car should we work on next? We got the S14 and the AE86. So the story behind the S14 is it's going to be a street car, easy to drive to the track, drift a little, do some grip laps, whatever, drive back home, should be easy going. Having it street registered makes it easier. It's very hard on modified cars in Switzerland, but this should be doable. The only problem it has, cylinder number 3 isn't working properly, and we switched out a whole lot of things already. So, but this is kind of close, hopefully. And this one, that's my kind of live project. My AE86 has a F20C swap in it. The car, a lot of memories with it, but it catched fire at one of our events. So it will need to be a complete rebuild, and I want to take my time on it. But let me know what you want to see next, because as soon as Chase X is off the hoist, which should be soon, I will pull one of these back in and start working on those. So write in the comments what you would like to see next, the 86 or the S14, and let me know. Thanks guys.